Ahoy there, mateys! It's Pirate Jim. Who's this scallywag over here?
Hey Jim, it's Pixie. Are you a fan of Captain Crunch?
I love me some Captain Crunch. Great to see you, Pixie.
Well, let's celebrate the captain. I'd love to see you make something using his cereal.
I am ready to celebrate. I'm gonna make a peanut butter crunch burger. Let's start with some crunch. Pixie, do you know the Captain Crunch slogan?
It's got corn for crunch, oats for punch, and it stays crunchy even in milk.
That's right, Pixie. In the 1960s, Quaker asked kids what were they looking for in a cereal, and they said, crunch! Blend that, Captain Crunch. The original Captain Crunch flavor was created by Pamela Lowe. It was based on her grandmother's recipe for rice covered in brown sugar and butter. I need some ground meat. I'm using turkey and an egg. Next comes those cereal crumbs. A little salt, a little pepper. Mix it with your hands. Form some patties. The captain does have an actual name. His name's Horatio Magellan Crunch. If you see, he has 3 stripes. That doesn't officially make him a captain. That makes him a commander. But that's okay. He's still in charge of a ship, the SS Guppy. Time to cook some burgers. Now it's time to melt some cheddar cheese on top. I'm using Tillamook cheddar. Look at that chip. This is a local cheese. And because I'm using a local cheese, this is a hashtag twisted burger. For a topping, I'll be making a Captain Crunch mayonnaise. Let's just blend a little more Captain Crunch with berries. Let's mix that with some mayonnaise. Time to put Captain Crunch sauce on the buns. Captain Crunch cereal was popularized because they used mini cartoons to advertise. The cartoons were to look like Rocky and Bullwinkle cartoons, and the voice of the captain was done by a very famous voice actor, Dawes Butler, who was the voice of Yogi Bear. Captain Crunch burger. So interesting. Let's try it. Crunchy. Peanut buttery. Good. What do you think of that, Pixie?
It looks fantastic. Now pop on over to my channel. I've got some fun in store for you.
Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Skitch Kitchen. Go check out Pixie's channel, Laura G. Check my description for information. I'll see you next time.
Why did the pirate buy an eye patch? Because he couldn't afford an iPad.
In school, what kind of grades did the pirate get? High C's.